Question 2 on the 2021 Leaving Cert. 3x minus 6y plus 2 is the line we're given. It contains this point k inside it. Find the value of k, so just sub in k. So x, we're told, is just k itself, minus 6 times y. Y is 2k plus 2 over 3. Plus 2 is equal to 0, just one variable. Simplify it down. 3k minus, now the 6 and the 3 going evenly, so we'll change this to a 2. So it's minus 4k minus 4 plus 2 equals 0. Be careful with your signs. So we have minus k, which if I bring it to the right will become plus k, leaving on the left 2 minus 4, which is minus 2. Nice easy start. Part B, we're told the point P is on a line, x minus 2y minus 8. So let's just have a look at the sketch here. The point P, ST, is on this line, and P is also a distance of 1 unit from another line. So let's say this is the 1 unit here. And this line's equation is 4x plus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. And I know this has a negative slope, but it's only a sketch for sketch purposes. So if we put st in here to begin with, we're going to get s minus 2t minus 8 is equal to 0. So we can get s in terms of t. S is equal to 2t plus 8. We also have this perpendicular distance, which I hope you guys have learned off by heart. ax1 plus by1 plus c over the square root of a squared plus b squared. In this case is equal to 1. We're told here 1 unit. This 1 here. So my a is equal to 4. My x is equal to s. My 4 here. My b is equal to 3. Plus 3, and my x and y are your s and t. 3t plus c, which is 6, over the square root. I don't think we need the modular bars here. Over the square root of a squared plus b squared, which is 3 squared plus 4 squared, which is the square root of 25, all equal to 1. So tidying up, we're going to get 4s plus 3t plus 6 is equal to 5. And if we write this in terms of s, we can just equate the two things to get a value of s. 4s is equal to minus 3t minus 1, bringing the 6 and the 3t across. S is equal to minus 3t minus 1 over 4. So then that would have to be equal to 2t plus 8. So we're going to get minus 3t minus 1 is equal to 8t plus 32. You see the 32 and the 1, you're thinking 33. So we do have 11t here. 11t, bringing the 3 to the right, is equal to minus 33, bringing the 32 to the left. So t is equal to minus 3. And if t is equal to minus 3, s is equal to 2t plus 8. 2 by minus 3 plus 8. S is equal to minus 6 plus 8, which is plus 2. So my point is 2 minus 3. In part C, we're given the points here, A, C, and the vertices of the triangle ABC. So here's B, here's D, and here's E. We're also told that the ratio AD to DC is 2 to 1. AD to DC, 2 to 1, and we have the points AC, so we can get the full length of that, which will enable us to get the two individual lengths. So AC is equal to the square root, just shorten down the distance form, the difference in the x squared. 4 to 16 is 12 squared. 2 ends up at 11, that's 9. And the square root of 12 squared plus 9 squared works out to be an even 15. So AD 2 to 1, so we're going to have a 10 and a 5. Therefore AD is equal to 10. AB and DE are horizontal line segments, and AB is 33. So this bottom line here is 33. Find the coordinates of B and E. So we're looking for these ones and these ones. The fact that these are horizontal lines means that the y coordinates for these are not going to change. So B is going to be something 2. We can get the point D with a transformation here. For the x change of 12 and the y change of 9, this Pythagoras will also tell me how much to move each point by. So the 4 value of A goes to the 16 value of C, which is a jump of 12. In the race to get to D in a ratio 2 to 1, a jump of 12, we'd have to divide it by 3 and multiply by 2. That would be a jump of 12 breaks down into 8 and 4. And with a ratio of 2 to 1, the 9, the 2 jumping to 11, breaks down in a ratio of 2 to 1, 6 to 3. So this will enable me to get the point D. So 4 jumps to 12, a jump of 8 will get me to 12, and the jump of 4 will get me to 16. So the 12, D is going to be 12. And the y value, we go from 2, a jump of 6 will get me to 8, and the jump of 3 will get me to 11, which is correct. So 12, 8 is D. So the y value of D is 8. We have the point D is 12, 8. So now we just need the x values. And 33 will help with the bottom one. A starts at 4. The jump of 33 is going to get me to 37. So B has to be 37, 2. And to get the final part of B, CE is going to be in the same ratio with EB as the opposite side, the 2 to 1. So this is my 1 and this is my 2. So we're going from 37 here to 16. So that's a drop of 21. So that's 14 to 7. So a drop of 14 first will get me to 23, and a drop of 7 then will get me to the 16. So E is 23, 8 and B is 37, 2, which is the final part of this question.